Make a tulle rows of flower like the one you see in the previous video. This is the net I want to use. If the length of your net is not up to this, you can make you can add more to it, because this length is enough for what I want. I'll just fold it into two. This is the length, this is okay for what I want. Fold it into two like this. Then cut here too. Then get your thread, the matching thread, so that it doesn't show. Get your thread and tie it. Try and get the middle. Tie it very well. Tie it very well. Tie it. I want to cut the thread. Now choose a place as the base. You choose a place as the base. What I mean as base is you choose a place you want to use as the down part. Then you start like this. Can you see? You start distributing it like this. You can see that it is forming shape, but it is not yet deep. You keep pushing it and pushing it till you get the desired shape. Then the next thing you do is you trim it to shape. You trim it till you get the shape. So I'm trimming it now. Some will be longer, then you keep trimming till you get what you want. This place is still long, so I'm trimming. You trim till you are satisfied with the shape you have. But the main thing is for you to have the base, because it is the base that will let the upper part to form very well. And you keep doing it like this till you have it. Now if you see this place, it is still protruding, so I'll cut it out. And there you have it, your tulle rows. Can you see it? Can you see it?